The favorite Bruno number 5, random touch, and they're off. Early lead is taken by random touch by Drell. One Bahamas on the outside, Bruno and Magical Halo. Entry number 2, How Did You Know? It's One Bahamas by 3.5 lengths, random touch. Running in second, Bruno on the outside in third by 2.5 lengths, Magical Halo. And How Did You Know is bringing up the rear. The mid-back stretch, One Bahamas by 3.5 lengths, followed by Random Touch in second, and Bruno remains in third by 4.5 lengths. How Did You Know moving up on the inside, and Magical Halo. Rounding the far turn, One Bahamas by 2.5 lengths, and Random Touch remains in second. Closing in third is Bruno, entry number 5, How Did You Know, and Magical Halo. The last bend for home, One Bahamas by Drell moving up on the outside, Random Touch, and Bruno now moving up on the farther outside. How Did You Know in between horses, and Magical Halo. And into the home stretch, Random Touch and Bruno moving up on the outside, One Bahamas, and How Did You Know? Random Touch moving up on the outside, Bruno and One Bahamas, but it's still Random Touch in the lead. One Bahamas by Drell, Bruno, How Did You Know? And finally at the payoff line, still One Bahamas moving up on the inside, and finally One Bahamas. And close between Random Touch, How Did You Know, and Bruno.